My happy place is my garden in Ikaria, and one of the great lessons of my garden, of every garden on the island, is basically all about herbs, how to use them, how to grow them, what to do with them, whether you consume them as tea for their therapeutic values or whether you use them in cooking for their delicious aromatics. So I'm going to take you for a little walkthrough around my garden to show you some of the things that I've got growing this year. Bay, basil, lemon, thyme, and oregano, mint, 2 types of rosemary, sage, lemon verbena, lavender, wild fennel, rose geranium. That was just a very quick run through of some of the things that are growing in the garden. Every year I plant more and more herbs. I use them in all sorts of ways. And just touching them, there's something so peace-giving about that. There's just something about being in close contact with nature. And herbs are one of the great, I hate to use the term secrets of longevity, but they're one of the most important aspects of living and cooking on the island of Ikaria. So I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough, and I hope to see you maybe in one of my classes.